What happened to your face? You have a lot of kiss mark.
You don't want it about that.
Yeah, that's better. You look great.
Thank you.
You're
You too.
welcome. Next
You look so very peaceful.
I'm a magician. What do you mean by that?
Oh, it's a handsome.
How do
You're
you say that
magician.
again?
Can
How
you
do you?
you're so very peaceful.
What is the Lee sock? What is that?
P P
P
peaceful. Thought
P sock. Okay,
thought
okay.
thought
P sot.
thought. Yes, that's the
Okay,
one.
okay.
You're so very
Thank you
peaceful.
so much. All
You're
right.
welcome, my friend. You're welcome.
Where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Philippines, and you?
Okay, okay. Is that the language? What language in the Philippines? Also English?
Oh, you have a lot of gifters. My God, I think I'm gonna lose this one, guys. No, no English. Our language is
Okay.
Filipino,
I see,
but
I see,
I
I
know
see.
how to speak English too. Where are you from
Oh,
too?
very good for you. Me, I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, I see.
You want
There's a
to
lot of
come to my
Filipino
country?
working there, I think. What?
Yeah, you wanna come to my country?
No, I don't like because I don't have
I
money to
can
travel.
I can help you with that because you are also peacock. What is that again? Like good looking? How do you say that?
Pisot. P. Pisot. Pisot.
Peacock. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
that's the one.
What dialect is that in the Philippines? Is that the national
Uh,
language that you use in the Philippines?
Here in a part of Visayas, yes, that's the language that we use. Because I
Okay.
speak Bisaya. I speak Cebuano.
Ah,
Yeah.
all right.
But I
Pisot,
can
unsan eh?
speak
Pisot
English.
pagkabuti ay.
Yeah, what po ni? Uy, piste. Abi kong ma-prank. Tabang. Uy, buang. Uy, dili ka wa ilang akuan, Pinoy. Pinanimal na mula kang nahu. Visit, uy. Uy. Uy, Bisaya, buang.
You are pisot.
Balik. Uy. Oh, di ba? Uy, abigyan ako og kuan, abigyan ako og dili ka taga Pilipinas, buanga ka, uy.